Creating a simple moonlight landscape can be a calming and enjoyable artistic endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide to drawing an easy moonlight landscape. Materials needed: drawing paper, pencil, eraser, black marker or pen, white gel pen or white colored pencil, optional. Step 1. Sketch the basic scene. Start by lightly sketching the basic elements of your landscape using a pencil. You can include elements such as a moon, trees, hills, and a body of water. Keep the shapes simple and focus on capturing the overall composition. Step 2. Add details. Once you're happy with the basic layout, add details to your scene. Use your pencil to add texture to the trees, such as branches and leaves. You can also add details to the hills and water, such as ripples or waves. Step 3. Outline with marker. Once you've added all the details with your pencil, go over your sketch with a black marker or pen to outline the shapes and add definition to your drawing. This will help make your landscape stand out and give it a more finished look. Step 4. Create moonlight. To create the effect of moonlight, use your black marker or pen to add shading to the landscape. Focus on shading the areas that are farther away from the moon, such as the bottom of the hills and trees. Leave the areas closer to the moon lighter to create the illusion of moonlight. Step 5. Add highlights, optional for an extra touch. You can use a white gel pen or white colored pencil to add highlights to your drawing. Add highlights to areas where the moonlight would naturally hit, such as the tops of the hills and trees, and the surface of the water. This will enhance the effect of moonlight and add depth to your drawing. Step 6. Final touches. Once you're satisfied with your drawing, go over it with an eraser to remove any stray pencil marks. Take a step back and look at your drawing as a whole, making any final adjustments as needed. Step 7. Enjoy your moonlight landscape. Once your drawing is complete, take a moment to admire your work. Hang it up or share it with others to enjoy your peaceful moonlit scene. Remember, the key to drawing a moonlight landscape is to keep it simple and focus on capturing the serene beauty of the nighttime scene. Don't worry about making it perfect, just enjoy the process of creating your own little world on paper.